So today's video is going to be a bunch of hairstyles, and you may have seen a little bit ago I did the same video but for long hair, and it was like curlier hairstyles, and this is now my short hair. I cut it all off. I'm actually tempted to go like a little bit shorter, but for now it was a big step cutting all of this hair off. And I love doing my hairstyle videos. You guys seem to really enjoy them, so I thought what better way to do a hairstyle with my... I didn't word that very well. I thought what better way to kick off my short hair than with a short hair heatless hairstyles video. Bunch of heatless hairstyles for you guys to do, and you guys can do this with long hair and short hair, just to let you guys know. I don't know, I think this is short, but like maybe some people think this is long. And yeah, let's just get started with the video.
So for this hairstyle, I'm starting off with my straight hair and parting my hair in a middle center parting. That was not a cute face. Then on one half, I'm going to be taking a like section, as you can see. Oh my gosh, my jaw keeps like clicking. This is so weird. Anyway, I'm going to be French plaiting this. So if you don't know how to French braid, then you take 3 sections and you take a little bit from each side and braid over the top. I've shown you guys how to do a Dutch braid, and basically it's a reverse of that. So instead of going underneath, you go over the top. So again, 3 pieces, and on each outer corner you pick up a piece, put it over the side, then on the other side you pick up a piece, put it over the side. I'm not really sure whether this is making any sense to you guys or not. And then I'm doing another one on each side. So basically you end up with 4 French plaits like this, and I'm doing it towards the back of my head. Does that make sense? I'm not sure. I'm so bad at explaining, which is just very annoying. Sorry about that. Then I'm taking down the rest of my hair, and you could leave it like that, but I like putting it in a ponytail. I think it looks so cute. And obviously take out like the hairbands from each individual plait if you're actually putting your hair up like I did. And I love this hairstyle. It's so cute, and it makes your like hair plait. Oh my gosh, I'm clearly very tired. It makes your ponytail like a lot cuter and like adds a little bit of detail to it. I love it. So carrying on from that hairstyle, I am just going to be doing a bun, and this is such a simple way to change from the previous one, but it looks so cute and it kind of makes it a lot more dressy, like more dressed up. I love it. It is so cute. Although I'm so bad at getting like a good bun, but that does not sound right.
Baby, I'm down for you, down for you, I'm down for you, down for you, down for you.
So for this hairstyle, I have a side parting, but it makes no difference. But I'm going to be taking up half of my hair and pulling it out and doing like a half up, half down kind of look. I love this, especially with short hair, and as you can see, I just pull out some baby hairs, although it's not like I don't have enough already. And I think this looks so cute.
'Cause I'll be waiting for you, trying just to get through. Tell me what to do, just tell me what to do.
So for this hairstyle, I am going to carry on from my half up, half down, and I'm putting this in a bun. And I love this hairstyle when it goes right, because sometimes, you know, it just kind of looks like a bit like a poo on your head. Because honestly, same. But today it went okay from my memory. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this looks so cute, especially if you pull out pieces of hair around your face to kind of frame your face and the hairstyle a bit more. It looks so cute, and I have been doing this actually quite a lot recently.
You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul.
So for this hairstyle, I'm starting with a middle parting, and I am going to be waterfall braiding my hair. So on one side, I'm taking 3 pieces of oh my gosh, 3 pieces of hair, and I'm doing a normal French braid, as you can see. And then I pick up a piece of hair, go over the top and swap it round. But basically, to make it a waterfall braid, the bottom piece, as you can see there, I put it in my mouth and I collect a new piece of hair and replace it. So that's how the waterfall braid works. So instead of just collecting hair, every time you get to the bottom, you drop it and you collect a new piece. However, I just put it in my mouth because otherwise I usually get it tangled in the plait and stuff. I know it's probably not that hygienic, but it works for me. So basically, you pick up a piece, you put it over the top, you take the other piece, collect hair, put it over the top, and then you drop it and collect more hair. So hopefully you can kind of get the gist of what I'm doing. It did take me quite a while to learn how to properly do this because I'm so bad at French braiding, but it looks so cute. Like, honestly, you could do this for prom, like if you did it better than me, and it would look so good.
Is it desire? Or is it love that I'm feeling for you? I want desire. I wanna see what you're willing to lose.
So for this hairstyle, I am going to be brushing my hair and going for a middle parting again, because, you know, just love a middle parting. And I'm gonna put half of my hair just in a ponytail so I get it out the way, and then with the other half I am going to just be doing a Dutch braid. So how a Dutch braid works is you get a small section from the front of your hair, and you, on each outer corner, you pick up a piece of hair, put it underneath the middle section, and then with the other section pick up a piece of hair, put it under the middle section, and you just carry on doing that. Like, hopefully you can see from this video as well. So it's actually really easy. Like, I think I learned this when I was in like year 6, how to do it. So I don't know why I just told you that. But I'm just trying to show that it's very simple. If you just practice a lot, it's really easy to get good. Although, can you see that piece of hair I missed out? Because that is really irritating. So I'm gonna carry on from these Dutch braids, and honestly I think these are the worst I've ever done them. Like, it's when I'm on camera they go wrong. Anyway, at the back of my head I'm just wrapping them round and putting this into a bun because this looks so cute. Like, I normally don't really kind of do like properly done up hairstyles, but this, like for school, actually looks so cute. It gets the hair out of your face and it just, I just love it. It's so cute.
In the space between, you gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be.
So for this hairstyle, I have my hair in the middle parting because when don't I have my hair in the middle parting? And I'm taking I'm taking one section, splitting it in two and twisting it upwards, collecting a piece of hair and twisting it, and I'm doing this on both sides, and then I'm going to secure it at the back. And I don't really like this hairstyle on me, but my friend E does this the whole time and it looks so nice on her. So I don't know why I told you that again, but this hairstyle's so cute though. Okay, so again with my frizzy middle parting hair, I just put my hair in a ponytail, and I just wanted to show this hairband because it's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. It's like a faux fur pom-pom hairband from Primark, and I'm pretty sure I got this on sale for like 50p. Like, come on, it's kind of like Ariana Grande inspired. So yeah.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found at least one hairstyle that you love and are going to use. And yeah, I hope you're having an amazing day. Don't forget to check out all my social medias and click the bell button because that will notify you when I upload a new video, and you will remain notified, updated, subscribed, because sometimes YouTube glitches and like videos don't come into sub boxes and boring. But if you click that button, your problems will go. Well, not your problems, that problem of not seeing my videos. Okay, see you next week!